Hey guys, today I'm teaching you which backend platform is better in 2025, Supabase or Neon. So, if you're stuck choosing between the two, this will clear things up fast. Supabase gives developers an open source Firebase alternative with a Postgres database, real-time subscriptions, edge functions, and built-in auth. Perfect for full stack apps that need a ready to launch backend with great developer tools. While Neon focuses solely on scalable Postgres with serverless architecture, branching, and instant storage snapshots that make it deal for teams that want lightning fast environments and Git style workflows. So, if you want an all-in-one backend with auth, storage, and real-time features, choose Supabase. But if you're building complex, high-performance apps with version databases and CI/CD in mind, Neon is the smarter pick. That's the breakdown. Choose the one that fits your project style. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tool comparisons just like this.